Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix keyboard keeps typing on its own laptop keyboard auto pressing keys. First method is turn off sticky keys. Second method is use on-screen keyboard. Third method is update keyboard driver. Fourth method is uninstall keyboard driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.